In music chart history, there have been many chart battles and rival bands. The Rolling Stones and the Beatles, Spandau Ballet and Duran Duran. But in the 1990s it was Oasis and Blur. Battle commenced on Monday, August 14, 1995, when Blur released their single Country House and Oasis single Roll With It. In a world before downloads, thousands of people visited music shops across the country to buy their favourite band's single on CD, 7 and 12-inch records, or cassette tape. That Sunday, the music fans listened to the UK chart top 40, and the number one single was, drumroll please, Blur Country House. Oasis may have lost that music, but much more success was to come for the band in the future. In this exhibition, I grew up in the 90s, Torquay Museum. We celebrate music from the 90s and pop culture from that time. Welcome to the I Grew Up in the 90s.
In the 1990s, there were a lot of game consoles. For example, Mega Drive, Game Boy and PlayStation 1.
And I'm playing the Sega Game Arcade!
Blockbusters was a very big thing back in the 90s. Families would come and get their free movies for £10. Naming free movies in the 90s was The Nightmare Before Christmas, Jurassic Park and Lion King.
What do you like about this?
My favourite part is how all the technology has changed.
And lastly, will you come back to here?
Definitely.
And will you come back to Torquay Museum?
Yes, definitely.
Yeah.